guys, Montalbano, and I'm going to show you how to copy a line segment. First, you're going to need to start off with a line labeled A and B. Then you're going to need to draw a line and put a point on the line and label it A prime. Then you're going to need to extend your compass out just as far as this goes. Then you line it up with the line and make an arc. Where the arc intersects the line, you put the point and label that B prime. For the second demonstration, I will show you how to copy an angle. To copy an angle, you need to put your compass needle on the vertex of the angle. Then, intersecting both lines, create an arc. The arc can be any measure. Then you will need to go to the ray and make another arc of the same measurement. Then put both things and measure the width. Create an arc with the same width. Using your ruler, draw another ray through the arc. And that is how you copy an angle. In this next video, I will teach you how to bisect a segment. First, you will need to take your compass needle and put it on point A. You will need to make an arc that goes more than halfway. Then, do the same thing, putting your compass on point B. Then, take your ruler and draw a line through the intersections of the arcs. Now, put your point in the middle of this. And that's how you bisect a segment. In this video, I will show you how to bisect an angle. First, you will need to put your compass needle on point A and draw an arc through both the rays. Once you have that done, put your compass on the point that you just made. Then make an arc from there. Do the same to the other side. Then, at the intersection of the arcs, you will draw a line. And that is how you bisect an angle. I am going to show you how to create a perpendicular line. Take the compass and put it on point Q. Draw an arc through the line. Do the same to the other side. Now, put the compass on the line that intersects the arc and draw another arc of the same width. Do the same to the other side. Now, draw a line through the intersection of the arcs. Now you have created a perpendicular line. In my next video, I will show you how to create a parallel line. First, you will need to take your ruler and approximately make a 45-degree angle. Next, you will put a point on the ray. Take your compass and make an arc at any measure below the point you have just made. Then you will need to put your compass needle on the point and draw another arc. Next, measure the distance between the two. Put your compass needle on the other arc and make an arc intersecting the one you just made. Take your ruler and make a line intersecting both of the arcs. And you have created parallel lines. This next video, I will teach you how to create a perpendicular bisector. Taking your compass needle, you will need to make an arc that is more than halfway. On the other side, do the same thing. Now you do the same thing on the top. Make sure that your arcs are intersecting. Now draw a line through the two intersecting arcs. You have now created a perpendicular bisector. In this video, I will teach you how to construct a square. Starting out with a 10 centimeter segment, then you need to add on a ray. Next, you will need to create an arc Now, where you just made this, you create an arc with the same measure on your compass on both sides. Make sure your arc is more than half so they intersect. Now, you will need to take your ruler and draw a line. Make sure your line is big so that you can keep going. Okay, now you will need to measure the length of this to know how tall your square will need to be, and make an arc. Do the same with this. Now you have your point at where the arcs intersect. Connect the points and you get a square. In this video, I will show you how to construct a regular triangle. Create a line segment. Measure the width between both points. Now make your arc with that same measure. Do the same for this side. create your point in between the intersecting arcs. Use your ruler and connect the sides of the regular triangle. That is how you construct a regular triangle. This is creating a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle. First, you're going to need to put your needle point on a point. Now create an arc that goes all the way around into a circle. Next, you're going to need to make a random point on the circle. That marks where you started for your hexagon. Now, using the same measure that you made the circle with, make your first arc. Then, put your needle point on this arc and make the next one. Keep doing so until you get 5. Now, take your ruler and connect where the circle and the arc intersect. This should create a perfect hexagon. I hope you enjoyed our geometry video and hoped you learned a little bit more about constructions. Thank you for watching.